Welcome to Cedarcroft. Today we're making sausage balls. The ingredients in the Bisquick sausage ball recipe is super easy. Just a few ingredients. So we have 4 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, 3 cups of Bisquick, 1 pound of bulk sausage, and I am using my favorite sausage, the Swaggerty sausage. Love it. It's the only kind of sausage I use. 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes and 1/2 cup of milk. And all we're going to do is mix that all together and then form our sausage balls. Let's get started. I was really on the struggle bus. I could not get this to incorporate. And then I remembered, I didn't add the milk. It really does help. There's parchment paper on the bottom of the pan where I did the sausage balls, and it really worked out well. I made 1-inch sausage balls and preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and baked them for 25 minutes. While we wait for the sausage balls to get done and get nice and crispy and yummy and delicious, I'm going to show you a sauce that I saw Paula Deen make one time for her sausage balls. I tried it. This was quite a few years ago, and I loved it. So let's try it. It's really easy, 2 ingredients, and it is so good. Now, my husband doesn't like mustard, but he does like this sauce. So basically, you take mayonnaise, and I'm sure that Paula Deen has measurements, but it's been probably about 15 years since I made this, and I don't remember. But I do remember that you just take about 1 cup of mayonnaise and a couple tablespoons of mustard and stir it together. And I'll show you what it looks like when we get that all stirred up. Okay, so I'm gonna shake my mustard. All right, nobody likes that water that comes out of the mustard. No. So I'm gonna measure about 2 tablespoons and let's see what happens, okay? Now the color that you want is not a bright yellow color, so I may need to add more mayonnaise, which is why I saved this mayonnaise spoon. Okay, see how light that is? Okay, so I'm gonna just let it dollop onto my finger. My hands are extremely clean. I've washed them 5 times in the last 5 minutes. So, okay. Perfect. That's perfect. I'm gonna bring this closer so that you can see what this looks like. Okay, see how creamy, and you can see the mustard up here that didn't get stirred in. That's a little bit darker, but look how light yellow and creamy this looks. The sausage balls are done and they look amazing. So amazing. This sauce, I went ahead and put it in the fridge while we waited for the sausage balls to bake. And so I have a little bit of sauce here. I'm gonna let my mom do a taste test too. So let's see, let's do, and look at the bottom of those sausage balls. So here's one for her and one for me, and let's call her in to taste it. This one is yours, and there's a little bit of that Paula Deen sauce. Basically it's mayonnaise and mustard. So first I'm gonna try it without it, try the sausage ball without it. Just be careful. It's good.
Real good. Yeah, I've never tried this sauce before.
So the sausage ball kind of tastes like a sausage biscuit with cheese to me, doesn't it? I like this sauce a lot. It's really good. So, Mom, this sauce is just a cup of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard.
It's good on there.
And it's a simple sauce. You wouldn't even call it a sauce, you know, but look how pretty it is, and it is really good on there. So give this a try, and as always, thank you for watching the video. Mom approves, and which is good. And Rosie is waiting for her bite. I don't think she's gonna get a bite.
Yeah, I think I want another one.
You want another one? Okay, grab one.
Oh,
That one got stuck together.
yeah.
Oh, you might have to take 2.
I'll take it over here and eat it.
All right, and come on back next time we do another recipe.